this portion of the colon. You have goblet cells there. And then you have a lot of lymphoid tissue. This must be appendix. Notice that even in the mucosa, you have some WBCs and some eosinophils. May background ng parasitism. The muscle, this is the most significant change. The full-blown appendicitis will have suppurative inflammation of the muscle, but here it is very mild. Because this is only states of congestion. You will see the blood vessels in the serosa are congested and hemorrhagic, portion of hemorrhage. And there is still early emigration of the WBC. This is already acute appendicitis. We call it acute appendicitis congestive stage, because you don't have the typical WBCs in the muscle. Anyway, inflammation will start from the serosa, serosal blood vessels, before it goes to the muscle and to the mucosa. So what kind of inflammation is this? Suppurative. Serosa, what do you see? And were you able to demonstrate the changes? Margination. Lumabas na ito eh. Aggregation ito. The inflammatory cells here are already extravascular. If you have congested blood vessels and margination, that is congestion pa lang. Masyadong inflammatory cells inside, or they went outside already. Ito, may konting margination, but there are extravascular inflammatory cells.